front of me is POCO X4 GT, and let me show you how to change the voicemail notification sound on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and click on Settings. From Settings, select the voicemail, and here you will notice notifications. Mark it, go to Sound then, and now smoothly locate the sound that you like the most. Here you can check it, and then to apply it, just tap on Apply. Tap on OK to confirm, and as you can see, it has been done. So that's it. That's how you can super quickly and easily change voicemail notification sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.